Yeah. Listen close. This is for the city of peace. DC Dekemhare Day. Let's ride. Haraki what?
On the production.
If you know, you know. Welcome to DC. Yeah, yeah. شوق زعابخا هدا ملاقلاي تاريخنا بزيالو كلو سب حادو يبلنا نفل علي متعلو كتمان. The roots are deep and strong. This is the soil where we all belong. A bike centrale, walking with that local pride. A bike agamada, with the brothers by my side. A bike wadimba, we never back down. The real kings and queens wearing the DC crown. Menta abiti, DC Dekemhare.
If you from the blocks, put your hands up high.
Kamasmarani, double party salam in foreign.
Every neighborhood, tarihiki able be hidden.
DC in my middle name, DC in my veins.
Hot it here, on the beat, breaking the chains.
Yeah.
Breaking the chains.
They call it DC. That's the nickname of the great. From the old days till now, we control our own fate. Dekemhare adi waini. Dekemhare rhythm, yeah, we putting on a show. Mr. Umsuwan, missing subok na imeta abiti ilal. No matter where I travel, na achios na vertical. Shuk to Hadamu, we keeping it raw. The realest city that you ever saw. Yeah, meta abiti DC. From Hadamu Lale to Chentre,
I got made out to Wadi and Bay.
Matsalu, we see you.
This is our home.
This is DC.
This is our home.
This is DC.
This is our home.
Haraki wet. 2020-26, and we still repping the culture. We out.